Hey everyone, welcome back to Coin Spyder. And today we've got something truly special for all you coin hunters, collectors, and treasure seekers out there. We're talking about what appears to be a simple 10 cents coin from 1985 in Singapore. But what if that little coin could be worth 350,100 USD or more? That's right. And if you're watching this, you might just have one sitting in a drawer. So grab your coffee, lean in, and let's explore what this coin is, why its value is soaring, how you can check and list your own, and where the next big auction in Singapore is happening. Let's dive in. Imagine walking into an auction room in Singapore, hearing the gavel come down, and realizing the coin you quietly preserved years ago, just 10 cents face value, now sells for hundreds of thousands of US dollars. Would you believe it? It sounds unbelievable, yes. But in the right condition, the right market, it's happening. And today I'm going to show you how and why. Stay with me. So first, what exactly is this coin? How did it come about? And why is it drawing such attention? The coin background. We're talking about the 1985 issue of the Singapore 10 cents coin, minted by the Republic of Singapore. On the obverse side, you'll find the Singapore coat of arms. On the reverse side, you'll see a floral motif, the jasmine flower, the denomination 10 cents, and the numeral 10. It belongs to Singapore's floral series of coins introduced in that era. Now, why is this important? Because while face value is small, years of circulation mean many coins of this type have wear, damage, corrosion, or loss. So when a coin from this issue survives in very good condition, crisp design, minimal wear, clean rim, it becomes far more rare than you'd expect. Also, Singapore's coin market has matured. Local collectors are paying attention and international bidders are entering. That adds to value potential. So next time you find one of these in a drawer, it might look like a common coin, but it could be hiding something bigger. The untold story behind the 1985 Singapore 10 cent coin. Most people don't realize that the 1985 Singapore 10 cents coin was more than just a piece of metal. It was a quiet symbol of a growing nation's pride. Singapore during the 1980s was transforming rapidly from a trading port into a global powerhouse. Every new coin minted in those years carried that spirit of progress, discipline, and identity. The floral series, which includes the 10 cents coin, wasn't chosen randomly. It was designed to represent Singapore's natural beauty and its deep respect for simplicity and elegance. When you hold this coin in your hand, you're literally holding a fragment of Singapore's modern history, a reminder of where the country was heading and how carefully it documented its journey through design and art. That's why collectors from around the world are now fascinated not just by its rarity, but by the story it tells about an era of growth, change, and national confidence. What drives the high value? Now let's ask, what makes the difference between a coin worth maybe a few dollars and one worth 350,100 USD or more? Yes, that's 350,100 US dollars. Let me walk you through the factors. Condition, just sharp grade. A coin that has survived decades with little wear, sharp details, no heavy scratches, these are rare. Many coins from 1985 are circulated heavily, so a truly high-grade example becomes very special. Strike, charged minting. Quality. Sometimes the specific strike of a coin, the clarity of its design, the absence of defects, may set it apart from typical versions. Survival and population. If very few examples in the market are in high grade, collectors compete, pushing value up. Collector demand and market momentum. As collectors in Singapore and beyond pay more attention, demand increases. When one coin sells for a high price, it sets a benchmark. And suddenly others realize, hey, maybe mine is worth more too. Auction exposure. High visibility auctions with serious bidders tend to produce higher results. If your coin is listed in a recognized auction house in Singapore, you gain access to those bidders. So when you see a coin noted at 350,100 USD or more, that number is about a top-tier coin, rather than every coin of this type. It's realistic for the very best condition examples. The message here is, if your coin is good, get it evaluated. If it's ultra good, the possibility of six-figure USD value is real. And emotionally, think about this. A coin minted in 1985, maybe used in everyday pocket change, traveled years, survived. Now it's being eyed by serious collectors. Your preservation matters. Your coin may carry more story than you thought. Value examples and what 350,100 plus means. Let's create two simple scenarios to illustrate. Coin A, 1985, Singapore 10 cents, heavily circulated, many scratches, rim nibbled, design edges worn. That coin might be worth maybe 50 to 200 US dollars depending on local interest. Coin B, same year but very good condition, minor wear, rim intact, fields clean, no major damage. That could range into the thousands USD depending on demand. Coin C, a truly exceptional example. Near uncirculated or uncirculated, sharp strike, original surfaces, flawless rim, maybe even full original luster. That's the coin that can command 350,100 USD or more in the right auction. So when I say $350,100 or more, I'm signaling the upper echelon of market value. I'm not guaranteeing that every coin will hit that number. That would be misleading. But I am saying, if you have a top-tier 1985 Singapore 10 cents coin, the value could realistically reach into that realm. That alone is reason to examine yours. Hence the purpose of this video, to help you check, list, and position your coin so you don't miss out. How to check and list your coin. All right, you're excited. You might have one. So here's a practical walkthrough of what to do. Step 1. Inspect the coin carefully. Look at both sides. The coat of arms side, the floral side, the rim edge fields. Are details sharp? Are there deep scratches or heavy wear? Is the coin discolored or dirty? Step 2. Photograph the coin. Good lighting both sides, rim edge close-up, scale or ruler for reference. The clearer your pictures, the better your listing. Step 3. Research comparable listings. Search 1985 Singapore 10 cents on auction record sites or coin forms. Note condition versus price. Step 4. Decide on listing route. You may list yourself on coin market websites, global marketplaces, coin specialist forums, or you may consign to a recognized auction house in Singapore. For high-value coins, six-figure potential, an auction house may bring stronger bidders. Step 5. Prepare your listing description. Example title, Singapore 1985 10 cents, exceptional uncirculated condition, rare top grade. In description include year denomination, current condition description, e.g., near uncirculated, full luster, sharp strike, rim intact. How stored? Any certification. Step 6. Choose platform. Options include global marketplaces, e.g., eBay, specialist coin sites, local Singapore coin forums, or auction houses in Singapore. Ensure you include the condition grade, high-quality photos, shipping insurance info. Step 7. After listing or consignment, promote your listing. Share on social media, coin collector groups, Instagram, Facebook. Use hashtags, Singapore coins, 1985 10 cents, rare coins. Step 8. Packaging and shipping, if selling yourself. Use coin capsule, padded envelope, track and ensure the shipment. For auctions, follow the house's directions. Step 9. When you receive offers or bids, respond promptly, provide additional photos if requested, be honest about condition. Step 10. After sale, leave feedback, update listing status, and store proof of shipment. If you follow these steps, you give your coin the best chance of reaching its maximum potential in today's market. Auctions in Singapore and next auction date. Now let's talk auctions, the place where big value coins often realize their full potential. Here are some key houses in Singapore. Monetarium Singapore Private Limited, a leading rare coins and banknotes specialist in Singapore. Their website lists past and upcoming auctions focused on Singapore coins. Hot Lots PT Ltd, another Singapore-based auctioneer where coins and collectibles are frequently listed. And here's the key next auction date you need to mark. According to Monetarium's website, They list upcoming auctions in Singapore and previously had an event on the 18th of August, 2025. So if you're planning to sell or consign your coin, act now. Contact Monetarium or another house about their next Singapore coin auction and consignment deadline. Miss the deadline and you might lose your window of opportunity. So to summarize, the next major Singapore coin auction you should watch is with Monetarium or equivalent. Mark your calendar, prepare your coin, get your listing ready. This could be your golden chance. Let's bring this closer to home. Maybe you found your 1985 Singapore 10 cents coin years ago. Maybe someone said, it's just 10 cents, keep it for sentimental value. That's fine. But what if you re-look at it now, reevaluate? The collecting market has shifted. Demand is stronger. Conditions that were once nice to have are now highly sought. Thank you for being part of the Coin Spyder community, where we hunt coins, discover value, and unlock hidden treasures together. I'll see you in the next video with more market insights, more coin stories, maybe even your coin in the spotlight. Until then, keep your coins protected, keep your eyes sharp,